Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to go live on Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to go live on Instagram, first open up your Instagram app. And after opening your Instagram app, guys, in order to go live, you will be first required to tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. You can see the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap on that plus icon, guys. And on this interface, guys, we are on the post section of the Instagram. Now swipe to the right, you can see that at the bottom of the screen we are on the post section, and this is the story. If you swipe it right, we will be on the reel, and at the last section we will be live. And you can see, guys, you can choose your preferences by tapping at the top right corner of the screen on the settings. Go through these options according to your preferences, and after that you can see your audiences over here. You can see all of these options available for you, and with that being customized, tap on the middle on the camera icon or the live icon at the middle of the screen, just above the live button. You can see there, and then you will go live on Instagram. And with that being said, guys, this is how to go live on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.